Hey folks, Eugene here, and we are hosting the 5th Forensic Photography Symposium, January 19th to 22nd, 2026. It's just 2 weeks away right now. And if you haven't signed up yet and you are working with forensic photography, here are 5 reasons you should attend the FPS 2026. So one of the things that we do really well at the symposium is we're able to bring together global experts working in forensic photography. They'll be talking about imaging and processing, analysis, and even courtroom testimony. So you're going to be seeing experts talk about how they use forensic photography in their actual casework. So we've got a ton of presentations. There are over 30 presentations. They're focus sessions that are covering everything from capture to processing, analysis, and even courtroom presentations. We're also going to be doing some panel discussions, and these are going to be interactive, SWGDE lighting, and also a session on the future of forensic photography, considering the effects of AI and machine learning. So you won't want to miss that. So one of the fun things we do at the symposium is we have prize giveaways. We have our FPS Wheel of Fortune, and so we have several draws and prize giveaways every day, including software, training, and gear that you can use right away. All sessions are recorded, so you can rewatch, review, and catch anything that you may have missed up to 30 days after the symposium is over. So if you're in a different time zone, or if you're just busy and tied up with work, you can always go back and catch up on what you missed. So the FPS is a place where we bring people together. And so you're going to be able to connect with forensic photographers, investigators, and analysts from around the world. We have dedicated networking sessions and breakout rooms where you can just discuss things openly with people from all over the place. And you probably find that a lot of these people have the same challenges that you have. Hey, make sure to click on that link below, January 19th to 22nd, 2026. It's a full-on symposium, a ton of information, and we've been really successful with this before. A lot of great reviews, so make sure to click on the link and register, and I hope to see you there. Bye-bye.